Hey guys, this is Garrett from RuffStuff Specialties, and today we're going to be going over the rear bumper overlay for the TJ, YJ, LJ. Okay, so why replace the stock rear bumper? One, it's stronger. This is way stronger than your stock rear bumper. You're going to hit the stock bumper on rocks. It's going to damage. It's going to dent. It's going to deflect. You're going to want to get rid of it eventually anyways. This is a great option to go with. The clearance is another huge issue. So when we're crawling, we're going to be hitting rocks, coming off of ledges, etc. This is going to add clearance to your vehicle, but also add a ton of strength. So if you do come off a ledge and hit this, no factor. We sell this rear bumper overlay just as you see it right here. Fully welded, you can buy it just like this. No need to know how to weld, you can bolt this right on your vehicle. We also sell this in pieces. So you can buy just this plate overlay here, this 1/4 inch thick plate overlay, by itself. Bolt that on, build your own step, do your own thing. You can do that. We also sell the hitch and the step as a unit, unwelded. So you can weld this on your existing bumper overlay from a different company or something you built yourself perhaps. We also sell the clevises separately to the bumper clevises. These are 1 inch thick with a 1 inch bore. They're sturdy. So what sets us apart from other companies is some people are still making this out of 3/16. We make it out of 1/4. The other thing that sets us apart is our welders. We have really good welders here at RuffStuff. Just take a look and you'll see what I'm talking about. We also want you guys to know that this product is beefy as hell, but it's not tow rated.
Thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to see more, click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notifications, like this video, and comment if you have any questions. If you want to see other awesome videos, check out these.